All right, welcome to my incredible last minute, super cringy, super terrible room tour of my Amsterdam housing accommodation. I get on the plane in 2 days. I sort of cleaned up, but also I have to start packing, so I'm doing this last minute. I feel bad like I haven't communicated a lot to people back home, so I'm making this to make up for that. Gran, this goes out to you. It's also for my own memory because I want to be able to check it out again. But starting right off the bat, here's the best part of my room. Epic view here in the Zuid of Amsterdam, way down Zuid. Over there's a financial district, lots of cool, crazy Dutch architectural buildings, lots of cool designs, lots of rich people, companies, though lots of them work with Russia, that's not great. Also, there's the World Trade Center, and the station is just over that bridge over there, so that's how I get into the city, unless I take my bike. Just out here to the left is the Vrij Universiteit, right across that road where the train is going. So that's where I go to a lot of my classes and where my school is. Here's the parking lot. There's always interesting range of vehicles out there. Here's a view of the building. De Boelelaan is called the bull or the cow in Dutch. I'm not quite sure why it's called that. Oh, actually, I know why it's called that. There's a huge painting of a cow on the far side. It's a really big housing building for students and inexpensive housing. Here's the end of my room, looking incredible. There's my lamp. There's my vacuum. I had to buy that right after I dropped a huge thing of Nutella and the glass bottle went everywhere, so I had to get that up with a vacuum. Getting into the artwork. These are two pieces my art teacher, Marietta, gave me. I presented on Blau, which was a father-son duo of Dutch cartographers in the 17th century. And so she found these old things. She was a bit of a hoarder. And so she found these old maps. This one's in Dutch, very cool, of the Verenigde Staten van America. And then this is a bit more kind of like Blau's artistic cartography style look for an outdated month that is useless to me. Very cool, special that she gave them to me. Not every student got some. Here's this chair that I found on the street. It's pretty comfortable and it swivels. Got that pretty recently, but I don't regret it. Here's my desk. Incredible setup. I've loved using the Surface Laptop Studio here. Perfect computer. I've been playing a lot of Switch lately. Me and my friends have been into it, playing a lot of Lego Star Wars. That's great. Here's my poster board with this I got at the Rembrandt house, all his self-portrait sketches. This is my Van Gogh sketch, quote unquote, that I made for my class. And here's my Rembrandt sketch. This was, I think, much better, recreating some of their works. This is from Ireland in the Book of Kells Museum. This is from Austria, famous hair. This is a Migros bag from Zermatt, Switzerland. This is the main grocery store I went to when I was on Swiss semester, so I took a piece of one of their bags. This is from the catacombs in Paris, also from the Louvre. Tickets. The TSA checked my bag when I came here. Incredibly interesting, I know. Very cool, very special. Here are my Ikea rugs. Spent a lot of time on them. Oh, here's my other children's Ikea rug, which is perfect for Napoleon when he needs to go through the city. Yeah. This is my shelf of things. Got tech, Uncle Pen's camera. Don't look, that's gonna be a gift for Dad from Paris. Yeah. My dresser broke, so now I have an extra coat hanger in my room. Drinks. These Dopper water bottles are absolutely everywhere. As far as I can tell, every European has one. So I got one from Vu. Very cool logo. Here's a map of Paris. Yeah. Dresser. Somewhat organized. I can do laundry, technically. I'm very excited to build that Lego when I get home. The Lego store in Amsterdam is so cool. Bed, iPad. All the essentials. Over here I got Napoleon crowning his wife This is just a small piece from the huge portrait I saw in the Louvre. Very cool. Wanted to get that moment, definitely, in the collection. But yeah, no, it's pretty big. Way nicer than Colby. Love my view. Love my seat. They gave me a lot of nice furniture. Yeah. Love to Bulalan 859 B3. Let me put on my shower shoes. This is how I'm recording. Yeah. Let's see if any of my roommates are outside. It'll be really embarrassing if they are, and I'll have to hide the camera. Otherwise, I'm gonna walk down the hallway. Here's the gentleman's club. Famous shower. Many a night have been spent here. My shelf, Brandon's shelf. This is where I put iPad. Heineken, in case you need to top up. Yeah, we live classy. Classy for sure. Real classy. Oh, here are the lists of things we made that we wanted to do. I don't know how many we managed to check off. Here's where I gave away the greatest hangman word of all time. Clearly, xylem. Yeah, I did not clean for this tour. This is a genuine state of how we live, as seen here. Holy shit. Yeah, that's classy. Some of our, there's the tulip vodka, love that. Ooh, Dutch Monopoly deal is up there. My cigar box from Vienna. Yep, Albert Heijn, greatest supermarket of all time. This is our table. Many a family dinner have been had. Another view out. But yeah, this is it. This is the room tour. Sad to leave. Glad I took this video before I left though. Goodbye, Amsterdam.